Dear ladies and gentlemen, participants and visitors of the ESTA conference in Porto. My name is Aneta Pichler. I'm a harp professor at the University of Music and Performing Arts and harp teacher at the Johann Joseph Fuchs Conservatory in Austria. In my lecture, I would like to briefly present the friendship between harp and string quartet. My lecture will cover the general history, the instrumental repertoire, and how to inspire and arouse the students' interest in this very special chamber music sound combination. As part of the conference, a world premiere of the composition Mermaid Under the Sea for harp and string quartet will be presented. This composition will be commissioned for ESTA Porto. I am very much looking forward to meeting you all, to the exchange and cooperation between European countries at the conference, and to connecting and strengthening the relationship between harp and string players. See you at my lecture with the title Harp and String Quartet, an Enduring Friendship.